In this video, we'll demonstrate how to engage with the new feature on Spotify known as Eat This Playlist. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about this unique Spotify feature and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's jump straight into this intriguing update. Spotify has added a nostalgic twist to the classic snake game with their latest feature called Eat This Playlist. Here's how you can enjoy this addictive game. To play, open Spotify and navigate to your library. Then choose any playlist you have. Once you've selected a playlist, tap on the three dots to expand the playlist information. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the magical option that reads Eat This Playlist. Just tap on it, and voila, the game begins. The playlists become your snake's food source, and your goal is to eat as many of them as you can to grow in size. However, be cautious not to touch the borders, as it's game over. Additionally, just like the original snake game, touching your snake's own body will make it shrink. So, strategize and navigate wisely. If you can't find the game on your app, make sure you've updated it to the latest version. Once you're in, get ready to have a blast and challenge yourself to beat your high score. This Spotify snake game is already creating a buzz among users, with many confessing to being addicted to playing it. If you're a Spotify user looking for a fun and musical gaming experience, give Eat This Playlist a try. It's a refreshing break from the usual music streaming routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for the latest updates and press the bell icon for notifications.